In today's tech time, let's see about the control flow in Python with code, definition, and example. Control flow refers to the order in which statements are executed in a program. Python provides several control flow structures that allow you to change the order of execution based on certain conditions or loops. If statement allows you to execute a block of code if a certain condition is met, else statement allows you execute a different block of code if the condition is not met, elif. Sometimes you might have more than two possible outcomes. In that case, you can use an elif statement to check additional conditions. For, if you know in advance how many times you want to repeat a block of code, you can use a for loop. For, you can also use a for loop to iterate over the items of a list or any other iterable object, while loop allows you to repeat a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. Break, sometimes you might want to exit a loop early if a certain condition is met. You can use the break statement to do that. Continue. Finally, you can use the continue statement to skip the rest of the current iteration and move on to the next one. If you have any doubt, comment below, I will answer to it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.